Today I am making chili cheese toast. It's a popular snack and street food in India, especially in Mumbai. The story goes that the dish was created in the harbour bar of the Taj Mahal Palace Hotel, where a chef combined cheese with chili, leading to the creation of a popular snack. It's a medley of two distinct culinary traditions: British cheddar cheese and Indian tongue tingling mix of chilies. It's a spicy relative of the Welsh rarebit, which is a British dish. So let's get started. Cheese and bread are a match made in heaven. They make a great appetizer or a quick snack to prepare. Extremely simple, tasty beyond compare. Mix together cheese, corn, bell pepper, and some spices. I have put dill leaves in melted butter along with garlic. Brush it on the toast, a bite of magic that's sure to please. A mouth watering appetizer, a real treat.